Hi you guys, welcome to my Curious Crafts. This is Shan. In today's video, we're participating in an open collaboration hosted by the DIY Mommy, and the collaboration is entitled the Christmas DIY and Decor Challenge. Let's get started. So today I'm going to make a centerpiece to be used on my coffee table at a later date. And we're starting off with the 18 to 24 inch flocked base here, and I'm going to use some Deco Mesh and some Christmas ornaments for it. So I'm cutting my Deco Mesh into 18-inch strips, and I'm going to cruffle it, which is a curl ruffle combination that I like to use on most of my wreaths, and you guys have seen me do that before if you're not new to the channel. By the way, if you're new, welcome. And for those of you who are faithful subscribers, thank you so much. And I really appreciate you taking the time to visit with me today. I don't take it for granted. So I've added in 5 Chanel stems, and we're going to put the 18-inch cruffles in each one of those Chanel stems, and then we're going to go in and add some ornaments to it, and we'll see how it looks at that point, and we'll go from there. Okay, as you can see, I'm just going to thread the Chanel stem into the eyelet part of the ornament. I'm not securing it yet because I'm not real sure if I'm liking it. I'm on the fence a little bit, so when I'm not quite sure, I don't attach it with the glue yet until I've made up my mind. Okay, as you can see, I've only added 4 ornaments, and I left the space in the middle blank because I'm thinking about adding a candy dish that I have, and either adding lights to the candy dish or maybe some festive candy treats. I'm not sure. But at any way, I wanted you guys to know that I appreciate your time, and I hope you like my project today. Please go over and visit all of the other ladies that participated in the collaboration. I'm sure they have some wonderful goodies to show you, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day.